Everyone, welcome back. I recently decided I wanted to try something new. You know, I've always been a skateboarder, but I decided I wanted to try BMX. So I picked up this bike. So it's a 2011 Fit Eddy 3. I picked it up used. From what I can tell, it has mostly fit parts, but it has Odyssey tires and a premium sprocket. Has a few scratches here and there, but overall it seems like it's in pretty good shape. I've heard some good reviews about it, so I think it'll be a pretty decent bike. Tell me what you think in the comments below. But as you can see, it's missing a chain, so that's actually what I'm gonna go pick up right now. So let's put it in the truck, head down to the shop.
No, I didn't. Somebody forgot to tell you.
So I ended up just getting a regular chain, nothing too crazy. It turned out it needed a spacer so that way it wouldn't break the next time I rode. But the dude at the shop was pretty helpful about that, got it all ready to go. So anyways, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my day-to-day, follow my Instagram. So I got more videos coming up soon, so stay tuned and have a nice day, and I will see you next time.